Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you have any query then comment in comment box, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear visions, and please use earphone for my clear voice. And our today topic is Python for everybody specializations. एंड जो कि मेरी जो पिछली वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग फॉर एवरीबॉडी गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विद पाइथन के क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। और जो मेरी दूसरी वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने यूजिंग डेटाबेस विद पाइथन कोर्स नंबर 4 के क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में और असाइनमेंट के आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। नाउ आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट पाइथन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर क्विज़ आंसर एंड ऑल असाइनमेंट्स। इस वीडियो में मैं ऑल असाइनमेंट्स और क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस करूँगा। Now go to the Python data structure course, and this is the Python data structure course, and go to the week 1. Now first start will be week 1 quiz answer, and the week 1 have one quiz answer and the chapter 6 quiz answer. And the question number 1 answer is, सॉरी मैं जूम कर देता हूँ थोड़ा सा ताकि आपको क्लियर दिखाई दे। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर इज str1 इज इक्वल टू हेलो, str2 इज इक्वल टू में देयर, bob इज इक्वल टू में str1 प्लस str2 प्रिंट bob। एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड द आंसर इज x इज इक्वल टू में 40, y इज इक्वल टू में int x प्लस 2 एंड प्रिंट y। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आंसर इज x इज इक्वल टू में फ्रॉम marquard @uct.ac.za। and the question number 4th answer is x is equal to me from marquard @uct.ac.za। and the question number 5 answer is 4 letter in banana print letter। and the question number 6th answer is print length banana into 7। and the question number 7th answer is greet is equal to me hello Bob। and the question number 8th answer is, and if you want this answer then comment in comment box, I will put this answer in my comment box। and the question number 9th answer is data is equal to me from stephen.marquard @ucd.ac.za। and the question number 2 answer is post is equal to me data.find and so on। and the question number 8th answer is, I will tell you, twist and open bracket close and close the bracket। and the question number 10th answer is twist, I will show this answer। and the question number 8th answer is which of the following is not a valid string method in Python, and the answer is twist। and this is the question number 8th answer। and the question number 10th answer is which of the following string method removes white space from both the beginning and the end of the string, and the answer is strip। and this is the week 1 quiz answer chapter 6। and now I will discuss about week 1 assignment। and the week 1 have one assignment, assignment 6.5। I will show you this assignment, and this is a Python data structure week 1 assignment 6.5, and the answer is this, and this is the answer। this part is the coding part, and the answer is this answer। text is equal to me x d spam confidence 0.8475, t is equal to me text dot find, and x is equal to me test print float x। this is the week 6.5 assignment answer, week 1 6.5 assignment number। now I will discuss about week 2 quiz answer। and this is a week 2 quiz answer Python data structure, and the first, and there is I have no quiz। now I will directly go to week 3, and this is a week 3, and the week 3 have one quiz and 2 assignments। now first I will discuss quiz, and this is the वीक 3 क्विज, चैप्टर 7 क्विज। इसमें जो मेरी असाइनमेंट है इसमें क्या आंसर शो नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो आई विल upload this answer in the form of PDF. And the first question, this is the first question, and the answer is, given the architecture and terminology was we introduced in chapter 1, where are file store, and the answer is secondary memory. And the question number 2 answer is, what is stored in a file handle that is returned from a successful open call, and the answer is, the handle is a connection to the file's data. And the question number 3, what do we use the second parameter of the open call to indicate? And the answer is, the third question answer is, whether we want to read data from the file or write data to the file. And the question number 4th answer is, what Python function would you use if you wanted to promote the user for a file name to open? And the answer is, question number 4th answer is row underscore input. And the question number 5th answer is, what is the purpose of a new line character in text file? And the answer is, question number 5th answer is, it indicates the end of one line of the text and the beginning of the another line of a text. This is the question number 5 answer. And the question number 6th answer is not clearly, then I zoom this answer ताकि आपको क्लियर दिख सके. X is equal to में X file is equal to में open mbox dot text. And the question number 7th answer is, f hand is equal to में open mbox text. X is equal to में 0 for line in hand, f hand x is equal to x plus 1 print x. And the question number 8th answer is this. This is the question number 8th answer. And the 9th question answer is, f name is equal to में input enter file name, f hand is equal to me open f name. This is the question number 9th answer. And the last is question number 10th, and the answer is, f hand is equal to me open mbox minus show dot text, and input is equal to me f hand dot read. This is the question number 10th answer of week 3 chapter 7 quiz. And now I will discuss about chapter 7 quiz. Now I will discuss about assignments of this chapter. And the assignment 7.1, basically in this have week 3 have two assignment 7.1, assignment 7.2. First I will discuss assignment 7.1, and this is the assignment 7.1, and the answer is this part. This is the coding part. This is the assignment 7.1 answer, and write this code in your file in the form of text. And f name is equal to me row underscore input enter file name fh open f name for line in fh dot read lines print line dot upper strip. This is the assignment 7.1. And now I will discuss about assignment 7.2. This is assignment 7.2. This is the assignment 7.2. Use the file name mbox sort.txt as the file name. F name is equal to me row underscore input enter file name. fs is equal to me open f name. rez square bracket for line in fh dot read lines in line dot star with x, and so on. And compiler enter file name mbox minus show.txt, and the average spam confidence is 0.750718518519. This is the assignment 7.2. Now I will directly go to the week 4 quiz answer. The week 4 have chapter 8 quiz, and this chapter also don't show the answer. Now I will show you in the form of PDF. And the question number 1 is, how are collection variable different from normal variable? And the answer is, collection variable can store multiple values in a single time. And the question number 2 is what are what are the Python keywords used to construct a loop to iterate through a list? And the answer is question number 2 answer is for backslash in. And now this is the question number third answer. जूम कर देता हूँ थोड़ा आपको क्लियर दिखे. एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड आंसर. फ्रेंड्स इज इक्वल टू में जोसेफ ग्लैन सैली. द क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ आंसर इज फ्रूट इज इक्वल टू में बनाना. फ्रूट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 0 इज इक्वल टू में बी एंड प्रिंट फ्रूट. एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ आंसर इज प्रिंट लेंथ डेटा. And the question number sixth answer is x is equal to my range 5. This is the question number sixth answer. And the question number seventh answer is a is equal to my 1 2 3, b is equal to my 4 5 6, c is equal to my a plus b and print length c. And the question number eighth answer is t is equal to my 9 41 12 3 74 1 5. And the question number ninth, this is the question number ninth, and the answer is append. Question number 9th answer is append. And the last is question number 10th, and the answer is friends is equal to me Joseph Glenn Sally friends dot short print friends 0. And now I will discuss about this week 4 assignment. Go to the week 4 assignment, and in this week 4 have two assignments, assignments 8.4 and assignments 8.5. First I will discuss assignment 8.4, and this is the assignment 8.4. FAZL JL FAZL row underscore input and FAZL open is equal to me FAZL and the list का square bracket and so on for I in, for j in, if j is not in, and short. And this is the compiler part UNESITIME space FAJLA colon ROMEO.txt. And this is the assignment 8.4. If you want this assignment and this course assignment, all assignment, then comment in comment box. I will put my Insta ID in comment box and send the email ID in my Insta account, and directly I won't send to you. I won't send to you this all assignments answer. Now I will discuss about assignment 8.5, and the assignment 8.5 is this is the assignment 8.5. H is equal to my row underscore input take TEKST open FH J ZBRO J is equal to 0 and so on. If part else part continue print there where ZBRO J lines in the file with from as the last first keyword. And this is a compiler part, and the answer is this. And now I will go to the week 5 quiz answer, and this is a week 5, and the week 5 have chapter 9 quiz answer, and this chapter 9 also don't show this answer. I will show you this answer. Wait दोस्तों, इन सभी क्वेश्चन के आंसर के बारे में बताऊंगा. And the question number first is how are Python dictionary different from Python list? And the answer is Python list are indexed using integer, and dictionary can use string as indexes. And the question number 2, this is the question number 2, what is a term commonly used to describe the Python dictionary feature in the other programming language? And the answer is associative array. And the question number 3, I zoom this question, then you clear this answer. And the answer is stuff is equal to me DICT dictionary print stuff candy. And the question number 4th answer is stuff dict print stuff dot get candy -1. And the question number 5th answer is false. This is the question number 5th, and the answer is false, and the question number fifth answer is false. And the sixth question, what is the commonly used of Python dictionaries in a program? And the question number sixth answer is building a histogram counting the occurrence of various strings in a file. And the question number seventh answer is if key in counts key is equal to may counts key plus 1 else counts key is equal to may 1. This is the question number seventh answer. And the question number eighth answer is this is the question number eighth answer, x is equal to may for y in x. And the question number ninth answer is which method is in directory objects gives you a list of the values in the dictionary. And the answer is question number ninth answer is values. And the question number 10th is the last question, and the answer is question number 10th answer is to provide a default value if the key is not found. This is the week 5 quiz answer. Now I will discuss week 5 assignment. The week 5 have assignments 9.4. I will show you this assignment. Wait, this is the assignment 9.4 week 5. Check this coding part. First line, second, third, fourth, 4 lines in TAKST, and the fifth, sixth words emails, big RAIZ none, big bros none, for KV in this, if is known for, and so on. And this is the compiler part, sort.txt, and the answer is this. And this is the assignment 9.4 week 5. Now I will go to the week 6 quiz answer. In the week 6 have chapter 10 quiz answer. Go to the chapter 10, and this is also not show the answer. I will show in the form of I will show this answer in the form of PDF format. And this is the question number 1. What are the difference between a Python tuple and Python list? And the answer are list are mutable and tuples are not mutables. And the question number 2 answer is which of the following method works both in Python list and Python tuples? And the question number 2 answer is index. This is the question number 2 answer. And now go to the question number 3rd, and the answer is x comma y is equal to 3. Okay, I zoom ताकि आपको क्लियर से दिख सके. This is the question number 3rd answer. And the question number 4th answer is x is equal to Chuck colon 1 Fred 42 Jan 100, and the y is equal to x dot items. And the question number 5th answer is x is equal to 513 if question mark triple times question mark greater than x colon. And the question number 6th answer is tmp is equal to list temperature file, and the second line for kvc kv in c dot items temporary file and dot append v comma k. And the question number 7th answer is data dot short reverse is equal to true. And the question number 8th answer is days is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the Sunday. And the question number 9th answer is c is equal to a colon 10, b की value 1, c की value 20 for kv in c dot times. And the last is question number 10th, and the answer is question number 10th answer is for a temporary variables that you will use and discard without modifying. This is the week 6 quiz answer. And now I will discuss about week 6 assignment. And this is a graded external tool assignment 10.2. and this is the assignment 10.2. and if you want these assignments, Python data structure all assignment, if you want this all assignment, then comment in comment box. I will send to you this all assignments, and I will send to you my current Insta account all course answer. In description list you send the Gmail ID of my Insta account, and I will send to you this all assignment answer. And now I will go to the week 7 quiz answer and assignment, and the week 7 have no quiz and no assignment. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and please watch video on PC and laptop. And thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.